and model work should be used to give advice or any recommendation. The model verb should is used to politely obligations and duties. The structure of should is subject plus should plus first form of verb and object. For example, I should go with you. मुझे आप तुम्हारे साथ जाना चाहिए. In this case, it is a recommendation for me to take. The chances are you should try to lose weight. कि तुम्हें अपना वजन कम करना चाहिए. This is the advice.
I started my walk last week, okay? Give me some time, I'll do it.
This is an advice to give. Second, they should fix this road. This is an
Very good, very good. Please carry on.
this is the duty to this is a duty to obligations to give them, and at the last stage the sentences she should fix her writings. यानी कि उसे उन्हें अपनी लिखने को ठीक करना चाहिए. उन्हें अपनी
लिखाई को ठीक करना. सर पीरियड खत्म हो गया. अगेन गुड जॉब. थोड़ा सा मजीद ना अपनी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, जो नॉलेज है, जो प्रेपरेशन है, उस पर फोकस करें, फिर मजीद बेहतर हो जाए और कॉन्फिडेंट रहें. राइट. और मैं वजन कम करके दिखाऊंगा. Alright, just tell you something funny.